Welcome, Doom Clan. Welcome, Doom Clan, to the nadir, the final episode in the Infinity Gauntlet sextology of shots. For you, it's been several days. For us, it's merely been less than 2 hours. We've all had about 6 shots. We're about to have one more, the Mind Gem. With me, Doom Clan, is Brian, Lloyd, Tristan, and myself. I already said with me, that's okay.
He's with himself.
Tito's.
Get at him.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Mind Gem. I know it's yellow, but I only have these clear shot glasses.
But the platform, though.
As we do this.
Ooh, I'm gonna go for this one. Ooh.
All right.
Damn, son.
Are we gonna be okay?
Like, I can't even drink that much water. Y'all got alcohol. Go ahead, bro.
Hello.
I just noticed that your oral muscle swole.
My tongue game is on point. What? We're gonna back this up.
All right, so the next toy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Marvel's Songbird.
Now that is so random.
It is a weird choice. She was on Dark Avengers. She used to be a supervillain, and now apparently she is a toy
I guess
that is 6 inches tall. Who would like to do the honors?
I'll threw his hand out. Like,
Okay.
What? Just with the catharsis again. What is that? The John Cena?
oh my god, collectors love opening shit.
That's dope. And it's stronger than the weapons.
Like, you could throw this as a shuriken. Like, you could just break somebody with this thing.
That's
Oh,
right.
well, they're there.
Wakanda
Whoa.
forever.
Like,
You gotta have the
size
disc
to
looking back,
size.
too.
Well,
Yeah.
That's her other daughter. Spider-Man is shorter.
Man,
oh,
she's
she's
taller.
taller than Spider-Man.
She's
taller
Wow,
than
you are right,
Spider-Man.
son. Wow.
But
He
then
is
we
short.
put
Well, he is a little teen.
one with the Buddha palm, with the don't talk to me
Oh,
Buddha
yes.
palm.
Oh, that's the bougie one.
And
Yeah, that's
That's the bougie friend.
She got the
We
arch
call that
out
one
and
the
everything.
ashless.
That right there,
No, that's
That's
not.
that's
dope.
outstanding.
That's dope.
That's cool as hell. How?
better than
strong.
the
Yeah, better than the
other
main.
Well,
Because
they're better-
Captain America was the worst.
The
Yeah.
main,
Oh,
main
Captain
has such a
America.
Easily
template.
Cap was the
Yeah,
worst.
that was the worst. That was the worst. That was the worst. That was the worst. That was
I like how I just like sank into the back of this chair, like,
Because that's how
time to pass out.
Woo, woo, woo.
I've had 6 shots. 6 stones,
He's
6
still a man on one leg.
stone,
Yeah.
6 shots. The gauntlet is all like, what did I just do? I think I maybe just broke this figure.
No,
Oh, he
no.
actually.
All right.
Well,
No, he didn't.
No, I don't think so.
No, he
Nope.
popped it out.
yeah, that's
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you gentlemen ready for your headliner? But this is the figure I was the most stoked for. It's Taskmaster. It's the comic book accurate Taskmaster, because Taskmaster is dope and it has one of the best powers in all of comic books. What power is that? It's just that he can mimic anything that anybody else does, even if it's a superpower.
Yeah.
And that shit is crazy. Because he's a regular human being. I'm just going to tear into this like I don't even care.
Imagine seeing that
Oh.
on film.
He would be great.
That's
Like
Like just some-
Him against
some
Deadpool
Yeah.
on film, or like I said, Moon Knight. Put him in the Moon Knight series.
Look at this face sculpt. Just that skull inside that hood. I know it's a dude with a skull mask, but there's something about a dude with a skull mask. Like, I don't know what it is.
One-off characters that aren't in the movie
Are better.
are the better
They're
ones.
so much
Yeah.
better.
Just because they have
What
more
is-
room
That's
to
because
work
it's the
with.
comic book, so
Yeah.
they can do
Yeah,
it better. You
yeah.
know, it's hard to do a person
But-
from a movie.
Can I get it to fit?
That's what she said.
Maybe.
Tito.
Oh, shit. My name is
Oh.
Inigo Montoya. You killed my father.
Yes.
Prepare to
I
die.
didn't even see the little gun.
Oh, I didn't either.
I didn't see that.
Even smoother. But that looks
That's clean.
splendid.
That's clean.
Well, but let me ask you, sir. Do you own the Infinity Gauntlet? Because we do. We're about to do this. We're about to do this. Welcome to the last part of the gauntlet.
The greatest part.
Far too many That opened way too easily.
easy.
Way too easily.
That's a hell of a drug.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Let's see.
Oh my God, that's
And
That shit was so strong.
And that is screen accurate sound. Cock that finger.
Tito's!
Tito's, man. lucky.
Yeah.
It was
Hey, Lloyd. Did they get at you? Oh, shit.
Get him,
That's
son.
right.
Get him,
He
son.
got it.
That's how you take a shot with the gauntlet, people. That's
Like
how
it.
you do it.
Oh, coming in
Controlling
strong.
it. Is there? Oh.
I feel like I'm going to bring that, and I'm going to try and wield Mjolnir.
Yes.
They
Oh,
saying
shit.
Oh, make it so.
Unfuckwittable.
You got to be the super scroll.
But I mean,
Put on the translator.
over 9,000 in greatness.
I've achieved my final form.
That is,
Oh my god.
You achieved greatness.
Girlfriends
That is-
across the world are
man.
cringing right now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
oh, the Sahara.
That's it for Drunktoys. Enjoy the movie. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you, Tristan. Thank
Name
you.
of Bankai.
We'll see you soon.